Hit the bell icon when you subscribe so you will be notified when I am on YouTube. Let's make authentic Italian focaccia bread. I've traveled Europe with my hubby for his office work, and there I explored authentic Italian cuisine, especially the wood-fired pizza, pastas, and different varieties of bread. And focaccia is one of them. Let's start. Here I have taken 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To that I am adding salt to taste. Mix it well and keep aside. Here I have taken 1 cup of warm water, to which I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar and a packet of yeast. Mix it well and cover it so that yeast get activated, or it's proven. You can see our yeast is activated. In a stand mixer, I am adding all the ingredients like flour and a yeast mixture. Let's make a smooth dough. If you feel that you need water, you can just go ahead and add a little water and knead it really well. Now I'm adding olive oil and again mixing it really well so that we get a smooth dough. You can see our dough is ready. I'm brushing olive oil to this bowl and placing this dough. Just brushing some olive oil and cover it and let it rest for at least 2 to 3 hours or until it's double in size. Punch it and knead it once again. Here I have already greased a pan with some olive oil. Now spreading this dough, as it's a flat bread, we need to flatten it up and let it rest for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Here I have greased my hand with some oil and making some dimples. Now I'm adding olives, cherry tomatoes, sweet peppers, some crushed garlic, rosemary. You can just add any toppings of your choice, some chili flakes, some mixed herbs, drizzling some olive oil, and a generous amount of salt. Just press it gently. And I have already preheated my oven on 420 Fahrenheit. Now let's bake it for at least 20 to 25 minutes or until it's completely done. You can see the golden color. Now brushing some olive oil. And a focaccia bread is ready. And if you want to just indulge yourself, then please do try this recipe. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this.